This has got to be the worst grid slot ever. I've got to turn hard right just to get going. This is ridiculous.
Green.
Unbelievable. What a dreadful place to start the race from. I mean, it's helped get past a couple of people, but this is Charlotte anyway. A slightly different Charlotte to the one we're probably used to. Week 13 again.
Go right.
So it's slightly different. You'll see in a minute when we come to the series of corners. It did catch me out the first time I went round. So I thought, where the hell are we going? So it's this next section. Normally you sort of go fast right and then right. Here we go fast right and then straight on. I haven't quite grasped how fast to go around this section. Maybe a bit quicker than that, not sure. And then you end up with this really,
go left.
really tight
Right side.
corner here,
Clear.
which we made it through. Okay, where are we then? So we're 13th now, so we've got a few places. A few people have gone off, I think. It's only 10 minutes, so we haven't got long. Take the slipstream while we can. Week 13 again, so all a bit of fun. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I think we got through there a bit quicker than others. R18 was a bit slow through there, I think. Then this next chicane I found going in slower and coming out faster is the way to go. Although it's very tempting to go in quick. The slower you go in, the quicker you come out.
Go right. Left side.
Yeah,
go
well,
right.
see that coming?
49.796.
Okay, well we got through that bit. Let's see if we can close up. If we can. Do this next section. Get back on them into a slipstream if we can. It's hard to know how fast you can go around there, really. Okay, so we haven't caught up yet. So 2.6 seconds behind, and we've got someone on our tail. So if he doesn't go up the inside, he's going to try, I think. No, we'll make him go the long way around.
Still there. Clear.
Yeah, that was very slow.
All right. Clear on the right.
But we've got the inside, which is important.
Right side. Clear.
Lost us a bit of time, though.
Right side. Still there. Slow car ahead. Still there. Hold your line. There's an incident ahead. Clear on the right. Car stopped ahead.
Okay, another car off. We got through that one.
0.329. You're in the top
So I need to be
10.
doing 36s, really, although we are in the top 10. So mostly because others have gone off. But yeah, we need to be doing 36s. Maybe even 35s if we can get that. Let's see if we can get onto the back of this guy. Justin Oz. Probably a bit of a wizard. Sorry, Justin, for that cheap joke at your expense. Yeah, you've got to go so slow through that. I think we did it okay. So we're back on him. And can we leapfrog up to Evan? Because there's a few cars up there. We definitely dropped the guy behind, haven't we? R16. We should be able to go through here a little bit better this time. Yeah, a lot quicker than last time. That. And again, we should be better into this next chicane. That is the worst starting grid position I've ever had, I think.
5 minutes to go.
Yeah, that's worked.
36.213.
Yeah, we're in the
You've got
36s.
fastest lap.
All right. Well, that's good news then. Fastest lap, but I have crashed into the wall. Anyway, we're still going.
The car in P12 just set the fastest lap. 35.898. You've got wheel damage.
Oh, we've got wheel damage. Oh dear.
Reduced aero might slow you down. on the
Okay,
straight.
that's not so good. He's going slow, isn't he?
Left side. Still there. Clear on the left.
Okay, we got past him. And we get after these guys then. Hopefully we're not too damaged. 4 seconds behind. Bit of aero damage as well, which is not great. How slow are we going to be, I wonder? Not too bad. So 3:30 behind. See if we can close off a bit more. Slower lap.
37.328.
Better that time, didn't hit the wall at least. Running out of laps though, aren't we? Pushing it to the edge there. .261 behind now. They'll probably get away a little bit there on the straight, I should think. See if we can do a better, cleaner lap. They're definitely getting away with the slipstream. Hey, no! Oh, David. Pushing it too much. How long we got left?
You cut the course. You'll have to slow down and give up the time game.
2 laps, I'm guessing. Oh, how frustrating is that? Can I get anywhere near anyone? Probably not. Oh. Just about to get on that group, I think.
48.081.
Let's keep out of the walls.
The car behind is closing on you.
That's what I need to do.
2.1 seconds.
Keeping out of the walls is what I need to do.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 4.3
Okay.
seconds. The car
Gaining.
behind is closing on you. The gap is 2.6 seconds.
Oh, that's really frustrating, that. Still 12th, though. I think a lot of people have dropped out. Just too much, wasn't it? Just a tiny bit too much. That's what happens though when you're pushing, I guess.
Consider 37.284.
As the leader's going slower.
White flag, stay smooth.
Probably got too much to do, I think.
7.344.
I think. We're getting a bit closer. I don't think we're going to get close enough though, are we? Won't get the slipstream. Keep off that wall. A bit quicker than him through that. We're getting a nice run, but again, just too little too late. Should be my motto. Too little too late. Oh well, we're pretty close at the end, weren't we? But, well, bit of fun, enjoyed that. Shame about the mistake, but yeah, let's have a look at the incidents. I mean, look at that. What kind of starting position is that? That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, we got going, so what happened? So, a bit of door banging at the start, maybe. Oh, just over-rotated. He was going all right, wasn't he? Yeah. Oh, and then reversed. Okay, well, I guess everyone had gone by. Somebody hit the curb. Oh, that's a bit ambitious. A bit ambitious there. Now, what have we got then? Diving into this first... Oh, got on the grass. Hard luck, mate. Just outbraked himself. Hit the back. Fast in, slow out. What's he done this time? Hit the wall. Yeah, tiny bit. Bit of netcode, really, but yeah. There's us up ahead. People behind. No, that's me there. Just getting through. Right, yes. Yes, we were lucky to get past that one. Is this guy going to do what I did? Yep. Hit the wall, but didn't spin. Which cost me a lot of time. And then hit the wall. Yeah. Easily done. Oh, that's netcode, isn't it? Oh. Oh, dear. There's us. So we're just avoiding that melee. Now what have we got? Yeah. Yeah. That's what I did. And again, just understeered. He went in really quick, didn't he, that guy? Yeah, too quick. Well done. Sounded like he came down to first and just touched the wall. Here's me then. Is this me going off? Oh, this is me hitting the wall here. Oof. Yeah, that's quite a big hit, actually. And then what happens? Oh, just a bit of concertinaing going on there. Hit the wall. Yeah, just a brush. And then what? Hitting this wall, I'm guessing. Yeah. Ooh, that wasn't a brush. That was a bit of a thump. Yeah. Okay, this is a really slow corner. Hard to... Oh, yeah. Just over-rotated. Yeah, he made a mess of that. But it's a shame that car couldn't turn inside him because he got by him there. Yeah, he's going to hit the wall. There's a lot of wall hitting going on it. I mean, that wasn't going to work. But he should have seen him coming. He should have given him room. Oh, he hit the wall going in there. What's he doing? And that's it. Okay, well, let's have a look at the results, shall we? Oh, top split, would you believe? And it was ranked, so I did lose some safety rating and some I rating. But that was, sorry, second split, not top split. Best lap. Who did the best lap? Someone did a 35.8. I did, where was I? I did a 36.2, so it wasn't too far off. Had the pace, just not the talent to keep it out of the walls. Yeah. Anyway, I enjoyed it. It's good fun. Week 13 again, but this was a ranked race, so that's why people were probably being a bit more careful. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.